unbelievably hot though. Oh, here it is. Bryce Canyon, is it? The magic that is a queue. Unqueue, is it? Driving for ages, and it's because Mustafa
whoa.
turn.
Passenger seat, Mr. Navigator.
I wasn't even looking at a map.
Exactly. So why not?
Right, so we were meant to go here and do this little loop. But instead, we are here currently.
Going to Rainbow Point, mate.
We're headed to Rainbow Point at the very end. We're meant to be like there. We're not. It's nice views though. Good.
Cheers for the navigation, Zach.
Boy. Good parking, is it? What's gonna come down there, mate?
Oh, well, it is.
Might not get back up.
We'll leave you here, it'll be fine. They're currently headed there. They're gonna stand there. They're gonna stand there and there. I'm gonna get a photo. Bench, good. Right. Can you tell people to move? Wow. Spiky rocks. Oh, trees, is it?
Ooh, tree? I am no tree. I am an ant.
Look at that. What? Yeah, it is a drone, but
Illegal, mate, illegal.
it is super illegal. I thought this was a coffee cake, not a cinnamon strudel. Disappointing. It's obviously like a cake to have with a coffee.
With a coffee? That's dumb.
You hear that, America? 100% of the population of the UK think that's dumb.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care.
Excellent.
Good!
Bryce
Canyon 11 miles, visitor centre 12. 12 bloody miles! You having a laugh? You having a laugh? You having a laugh? Where's the agua? Sin gas, por favor.
Right, super brief what happened. If you paid $80 at the very beginning, we could have got a pass for all national parks, but we didn't do that. We paid $50 to have one for a couple of them. So what she did was trade in the Bryce one that we paid for today to bump it up for the difference to get a pass for every single one of the national parks in the United States of America. Okay, and that's the end of that. And look, Zyog on. Doesn't it look like a Mac screensaver?
Have you ever met Miss Lindy? She's a gal with the bright red hair. Now she stands high from all the rest. You know her anywhere. Well, she's mine. Yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that.
Adjustment to plan, because not really a change. We came to Zion early, but I think, and Ross would agree, Johnny maybe, this is the most spectacular place we've been to this holiday.
Agreed.
And we haven't even gone on Ant Trail. Unbelievably hot though. Oh, here it is.
Oh god, it's so hot.
Mate, it's outrageous. We
got a
map? Heading
Hell
on
no.
Trail. No. It's 10 to 6. We've cleaned up, we're prepped. We're gonna do one Uno Trail-y. So tomorrow we can do more. Early one tomorrow.
It is hot.
Well, like 9 o'clock is early.
Hot.
I've been walking around for about 7-8 minutes. Still in the car park. Can't find the entrance. We found it.
Don't make more sense.
Oh, okay, right, fine.
I'm glistening. This is amazing. I say that everywhere we go, but this might be it. Those birds out there, they are. It's not too shabby. Camera shadows in the way. The sun has gone behind the mountain. What a good day today was. Hasn't finished yet, but did a bit of Zion, did Bryce. That's it, but it's good.
Give me a hell yeah! Oh, hell yeah!
Look at that. The moon. Where is it? Can't see the moon. Oh, there it is. Could have gone on a beach holiday. Could have gone on like a piss up somewhere. Something about a place like this, like it's just the best holiday, isn't it? It's the best sort of trip you can take. Quick review, everyone. How was it today?
Absolutely brilliant day.
Bloody good day, that. Bloody good
Just
day.
for you, Ross. It's just on you, really. Good. I'm happy. I'm happy that you're happy, and if I'm happy, that means everyone's happy. Happy?
Happy.